റെയിൽവേ ഫിസിക്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ഡിസ്കഷനിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. The first question is, the element of an electrical heater is made up of nichrome. First question, the element of electrical heater is made up of nichrome. And the second question, when water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, the volume of water gradually first decrease then increase. When water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, the volume of water first decrease then increase. And the third question, 1 megawatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 109 joule. 1 megawatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 109 joule. At what temperature? The next question, at what temperature are the temperature on Celsius and Fahrenheit scale are equal? Minus 40 degrees Celsius. At what temperature are the temperature on Celsius and Fahrenheit scale are equal? Minus 40 degrees Celsius. And the fifth question, the period of revolution round the sun is maximum by which among the following planet? Fifth question, the period of revolution round the sun is maximum by which among the following planet? Answer is Mars. The period of revolution round the sun is maximum by which among the following planets? Answer is Mars. Period of revolution round the sun is maximum by which among the following planets? Answer is Mars. And the sixth question, Einstein got the Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. Einstein got Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect. And the galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter by using, seventh question, galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter by using I resistance in series. I resistance in series, by using I resistance in series, galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter. And the eighth question, gas law was given by Boyle. Boyle's gas law. Boyle is related to gas law. Gas law was given by Boyle. And the ninth question, kilowatt hour is a unit of power. Kilowatt hour is a unit of power. And the 10th question, the ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. What will the temperature of maximum if 100 gram ice at 0 degrees Celsius is put in 100 gram water at 80 degrees Celsius? Latent heat of ice is 20 calcium per gram. What will be the temperature of the maximum if 100 gram ice at 0 degrees Celsius is put in 100 gram water at 80 degrees Celsius? Answer is 0 degrees Celsius. Fire in the diesel engine is produced by which of the following? There are four options: the compression, spark plug, friction, self-starter. 12th question, fire in the diesel engine is produced by which of the following? First option compression, second option spark plug, third option friction, and last option self-starter. Answer is compression. Fire in the diesel engine is produced by compression. And the 13th question, with an increase in pressure, the melting point of max will increase. With an increase in pressure, the melting point of max will increase. Increase in pressure, melting point of max will increase. And the 14th question, which among the following is the best conductor of electricity? Silver, copper, gold, lead. Which of the among the following is the best conductor of electricity? Silver, copper, gold, lead. Answer is silver. Which among the following order of decreasing wavelength of electromagnetic waves is correct? Radio waves 2, infrared rays 3, visible light 4, X-rays, and there are some options. Infrared, first option is radio waves, second option is infrared rays, and third option visible light, fourth option X-rays. Which of the following order of decreasing wavelength of electromagnetic wave is correct? And the answer is first radio waves, and then infrared rays, and third visible light, and fourth X-rays. And the 16th question, ampere hour is the unit of which among the following? Amount of charge. Ampere hour is the unit of which among the following? Amount of charge. 17th question, who discovered X-rays? Roentgen rays discovered X-rays. Roentgen is discovered X-rays. And the 18th question, which among the following are primary colors? Red, green, blue are the primary colors. Red, green, blue are primary colors. At what temperature will the density of water be maximum? The answer is 40 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius, not 40. 4 degrees Celsius. At which temperature, what temperature will the density of water be maximum? 40 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius, not 40. 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius temperature will the density of water be maximum. And the 20th question, persistence of vision is the principle behind cinema. Persistence of vision is the principle behind cinema. And the 21st question, which metal is commonly used for making electromagnet? Iron. Which metal is commonly used for making electromagnetic? Iron. And the 22nd question, light from the laser is monochromatic. 22nd question, light from the laser is monochromatic. And the 23rd question, chalk is used to reduce the current in AC circuit, and some bulbs can contain chokes, and chalk is used to reduce the current in AC circuit. In a standing wave, the distance between a node and adjacent antinode, lambda by 4. Answer is, in a standing wave, the distance between a node and a adjacent antinode is lambda by 4. And 25th question, a telescope and a microscope differ in that telescope has objective of large focal length and eyepiece of smaller focal length. Telescope and a microscope differ in that telescope has objective of large focal length and eyepiece of smaller focal length. Telescope has objective of larger focal length and the eyepiece of smaller focal length. And the 26th question, the weight of a body is, answer is maximum at the poles. Weight of the body is maximum at the poles. And the 27th question, at what temperature a body will not radiate any heat energy? Answer is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Temperature of a body will not radiate any heat energy. (273 degrees Celsius). Electromagnetic spectrum consists of the following radiation: X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet radiations, infrared radiation. Choose the correct order of code in the increasing order of the frequency. Electromagnetic spectrum consists of the following radiation: X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet radiation, infrared radiation. Choose the correct order of the code in the increasing order of the frequency. First one is infrared radiations, and the second one is ultraviolet radiation, and the third one is X-rays, and the last one is gamma rays. It is the increasing order of their frequency. And the 29th question: only one part of moon can be seen from Earth because the period of rotation and revolution are equal. Only one part of moon can be seen from Earth because the period of rotation and revolution are equal. And the 30th question: parasec is a unit of astronomical distance. Parasec is a unit of astronomical distance. Parasec is a unit of astronomical distance. And the 31st question: in which among the following is alternating current not used? Electroplating is the alternating current not used. Blisters are formed more rapidly by the steam of boiling water in comparison to boiling water itself because blisters are formed more rapidly by the steam of boiling water in comparison to the boiling water itself because the stream has latent heat. Blisters are formed more rapidly by the steam of boiling water in comparison to boiling water itself because steam has latent heat. And the 33rd question: an ice cube is floating on the surface of water. How will water level be affected by melting of this ice cube? And 33rd question: an ice cube is floating on the surface of water. How will the water level be affected by melting of this ice cube? Water level will remain the same. An ice cube is floating on the surface of water. How will the water level be affected by melting of this ice cube? Water level will remain the same. And the 34th question: what will the effect on gravitational acceleration if the Earth suddenly stops its rotation? It will increase at the poles. What will the effect on gravitational acceleration if the Earth suddenly stops its rotation? It will increase at the poles. Ohmic conductor among the following is constantum. Ohmic conductor among the following is constantum. 1 kilocalorie heat will be equal to 4.2 into 10 raised to 103 joule. 4.2 into 103 joule. 1 kilocalorie heat will equal to 4.2 into 103 joule. 100 raised to 3 joule. And the 37th question: ball pen works on the principle of capillarity and surface tension. Ball pen works on the principle of capillarity and surface tension. And the 38th question: the apparatus used in submarines to give clear view of the object on the surface of the ocean or ground is known as periscope. Apparatus used in submarines to give clear view of the object on the surface of the ocean or ground is known as periscope. Apparatus used in submarines to give clear view of the objects on the surface of the ocean or ground is known as periscope. periscope. And the 39th question, growth of baby in the uterus is found using ultrasound. 39th question, growth of baby in the uterus is found using ultrasound. And the 40th question, the form of matter are 3. Form of matter are 3. And the 41st question, the center of Newton ring pattern is dark since. Fill the following. The center of the Newton's ring pattern is dark since the light undergoes a phase change pi. Light undergoes a phase change pi. Pi means 180.